guys, Steph here. Okay, now some of you would have been watching my recent pen haul video and you would have seen this pen here. Whoa, hey, blooming heck. There you go, you blink and you miss it. And here is that pen in question, in its natural habitat. Look at this, I managed to find a box for the pen. So, without further ado, there you go. It does what it says on the box. It's a Summit fountain pen. So if we take the pen out of the box, put the box to one side, look at that pen. Isn't it gorgeous? What a gorgeous pen. What we've got for you here, nice and simple, is a Summit S-175 fountain pen, and it comes in this absolutely gorgeous blue lizard skin pattern. Now the Summit S-175, this one is what they term as the Mark 1. They later brought another one out, the Mark 2, which had a double jewel. So this one is the Mark 1, dating from around about sort of 1930s, 1940s, in beautiful, beautiful condition. The size of this pen capped is 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12.5 millimeters in diameter. Now, let's show you the barrel imprint. I don't know how visible it'll be because a little bit difficult to see on this colour, but you'll see it says Summit S-175, and then just underneath it's got made in England. Okay, so it's got a clear barrel imprint. As we said, the Mark 1 with this beautiful lizard skin in this, what they term as, well, it's simple, a blue lizard skin, because this particular model, they also brought them out in numerous different lizard skin. I believe an olive green, an emerald green, a copper and a magenta. Okay, so they brought them out in numerous colours. Very sought after pen. It's a lever fill fountain pen, as you can see there. It's got this quite a straightforward lever. If we take you up to the cap there, you can see it's got these two cap bands to the bottom of the cap, and then it's got this, it's it's not branded, it's an unbranded stepped clip. And I've shown you these pens before. I think it's quite an Art Deco looking clip. You can see to the top there it's got this slightly peaked jewel to the top, which complements sort of the bottom there also being slightly peaked. But the nice thing about this particular pen, it's in superb condition. Even the clip there, some of these do tend to sort of be, you know, slightly worn, etc. This one, well, it didn't need a lot of work, but I've restored it, I've put a new sack in it, and as far as I'm concerned, when I took the nib out and the feed, etc., I didn't see any remnants of ink, so I don't think it was ever inked. But as I said, we've took it all apart, cleaned everything, put a new sack in it, given it a little bit of a polish. It's in superb condition. Let's take the cap off for you, which is a screw cap. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Not only gorgeous, but as I said, these particular pens, very, very sought after. And for you people that have never heard of Summit pens, I believe this one may have been made by Lang & Company from Liverpool. The Summit pens, they brought them out, many different pens, and again, in my opinion, absolutely superb quality made fountain pens, and again as good if not better than some of the major manufacturers of that period. They're absolutely gorgeous pens. There we go, there's the section. It's got this slight ridge towards the nib there, and then if we show you the nib, the nice things about this particular model and this pen, they have quite a large nib, and the nib reads Summit 14 karat gold, made in England. Okay, there we go, there's a different angle, and if we turn it round, show you the feed underneath there, we've got a lovely clean ladder feed. As I said, everything has been cleaned. It's absolutely lovely, and the size of it, as I said, being 130mm capped, without the cap it's still a comfortable pen to hold. I personally have quite large hands, and it's a nice comfortable pen to hold. Now, because I've actually put a new sack in it, we've cleaned everything, so I'm not going to fill the pen, but what I'm doing is just dipping it here in my ink to the side, and let's see how the pen writes. So we've got a Summit 175 made in England, and again dating it 1930s, 1940s. It's writing very nicely indeed, and I don't know, does it have any flex? Let me just give it one more little dip. I think it has a little bit of flex on the downward stroke. I can get a little bit of a broader line. So yeah, just a little bit of flex as well, so with a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke we can actually get a sort of a broader line. So it's got a little bit of flexibility and a little bit of variation in the line. So what we'll do, we'll clean that nib after the video, but there we have it. What an absolutely stunning pen, as I said, in this beautiful lizard skin, blue lizard skin, stepped clip, little bit art deco-y, but a stunning fountain pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget, if you enjoy the videos, just below there, give the video a thumbs up as well, if you will, please. But for now, I'll just say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this beautiful pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.